Welcome to RCT's Cwtch program, also known as Communities Working Together for Children's Health. Cwtch is a joint program between the Cwmtaf Morgannwg University Health Board and RCT's Community Wellbeing and Resilience Service. All families with children under the age of 5 years will be allocated a family health visitor as part of the Cwtch program in RCT. Your family health visitor will provide an additional antenatal visit and at 20 months a developmental assessment to ensure any issues are identified as soon as possible. Your family health visitor will also work with you to identify any wider support needs your family may have and help you access support via the Resilient Family Service should you need it. Your family health visitor will continue to support you until your child turns 5 years old. If required, the Resilient Family Service will complete an assessment focusing on your family's strengths and identify ways to support you. The Resilient Family Service can support you with developing confidence and skills to deal with everyday parenting challenges, housing issues, helping with family finances, options for childcare, early language and communication skills, meeting the needs of children with emerging needs in the family, transitioning to school, strengthening support networks, accessing community activities and facilities, help with routines, building emotional resilience, access to employment and training for under 25-year-olds, access to supported play opportunities for 5 to 14-year-olds, access to early intervention support from specialist health services. If you are expecting a baby, your midwife can also help you access information, advice and support on parenting and family life from the Resilient Family Service. For further information or support, please contact your family health visitor, midwife or the Resilient Family Service on 01443 425 006 or by visiting rctfamilies.co.uk. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.